Based on the TAM medium tank chassis, Argentina fitted a Palmaria turret to become a 155mm self-propelled howitzer. Designated as TAM VCA or VCA 155, the self-propelled gun entered service in the late 1990s. 17 guns were produced as a replacement for the French F-3 self-propelled howitzer. The TAM VCA is in service only with Argentina. The VCA 155 is essentially a lengthened TAM MBT chassis with 7 road wheels either side. Fitted with the same turret as installed on the Italian Oto Melara 155mm calibre Palmaria self-propelled howitzer, which was developed specifically for the export market. The VCA 155 inherits the characteristics of the TAM medium tank, with the driver on the front left, the power pack on the right, and the turret in the middle of the hull, slightly to the rear. An auxiliary generator is mounted on the left side of the hull, and to increase the operational range of the system, 2 long-range drum-top diesel fuel tanks are mounted at the rear of the hull. The VCA's armor is made of welded steel. The front plate is 50mm thick and the sides and rear 35mm. As with all vehicles of the TAM family, the VCA is equipped with an NBC protection system, allowing the crew to operate in a contaminated area for up to 8 hours. There is also an automatic fire extinguishing system that can be triggered from the interior or exterior. Vehicle has a crew of 5, including commander, gunner, charge handler, magazine operator, and driver. The all-welded aluminum turret is identical to that of the Oto Melara Palmaria 155mm self-propelled howitzer. Firing standard 155mm ammunition, a maximum range of 24 km can be achieved, while a range of 30 km can be achieved with special ammunition. A semi-automatic projectile loading system is installed, with charges being loaded manually. This increases rate of fire and reduces crew fatigue. Secondary armament consists of a roof-mounted 7.62mm or 12.7mm machine gun. Vehicle is also fitted with 4 smoke relay dischargers. VCA has a weight of 40 tons, a length of 10.33 meters, a width of 3.31 meters, and a height of 3.20 meters. The vehicle is equipped with a 700 horsepower MTU MB 833KA500 6-cylinder diesel engine for a top speed of 60 km per hour and a range of 470 km. Off-road or cross-country speed is limited to 40 km per hour. The VCA can overcome 60% gradients, 30% side slopes, 1 meter tall obstacles, and cross 2.9 meters wide trenches. When it comes to fording, it is capable of fording 1.5 meter deep waters without preparation, increased to 2 meters with preparation. The VCA was first introduced to the public in a parade on July 9, 1989. They have not participated in any action since being introduced. VCA has proven to be a successful combination of a domestic platform and foreign technology. They could continue to serve for the next several decades, providing Argentina with some balance against regional rivals.